We all know just what an impact even a single song can make. Think of the effect your favourite track can have on your own mental well-being. At Bath Spa University, we understand that too. That's why a core value of our BA Music course is enabling you to make a difference in the world with your music. We partner with a number of organisations in Bath and the surrounding region to provide you with the practical training and work experience you need to take your music out of the concert hall and into people's everyday lives, into schools, prisons, community organisations and music societies. You'll have opportunities to train in teaching skills and workshop leadership, giving you the opportunity to pass on your love for practical music making to others in a variety of contexts. And all of that is supported by the explorations of contextual understanding you'll need to do this in a meaningful and mindful way. This isn't something new to us, it's something we've been doing for a long time, and we're particularly proud of it. In fact, many of our graduates have gone on to set up their own professional community development projects and initiatives, with some using the skills and experience from their degree to gain further qualification, in music therapy for example. We want you to be inspiring and exciting musicians who are equipped to make a real and tangible difference in the world around you. If you'd like to know more about BA Music at Bath Spa University, why not explore the other videos on our website, or, better still, come and visit us at an open day.